In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text animation in Descript. Whether you're working on a dynamic presentation or just want to enhance your video content, mastering this simple but effective technique can truly elevate your projects. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you need to head over to the Descript website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Descript's homepage. Once there, log in with your account credentials. If you haven't done so already, ensure that you're signed in so you can access your projects. This will make everything a lot smoother as you begin editing. Now that you're in your account, look at the dashboard that appears. Here, you'll see all your recent projects listed. What you want to do is locate an existing video project that you want to add text animation to. Click on that project to open it. This way, you'll be able to start making modifications instantly. Once inside the project, take a moment to decide where you want the text animation. This involves choosing the specific section or screen where you want your text to appear. After you've pinpointed the exact spot, you'll need to pick a text style. On the editing screen, there should be an option for text styles. Browse through the available options and select the one that aligns with your vision for this project. After selecting your preferred text style, it's time to input your text. This is where you type in the words or phrases you would like to animate. Ensure the text is concise and clear, something that will grab and maintain your audience's attention. Place your text where you want it on the timeline and position it accurately on the screen. Now on to the fun part, animations. To add life to your text, click on the animation option. Descript offers several animation styles. You can choose from fade in, fade out, or even create a custom animation to suit your needs. Think about the overall mood and style of your video as you select an animation type. Adding the finishing touches, decide on a specific animation preset. Descript provides various choices such as slide, bounce, or zoom effects. Each brings a different feel to your text. Experiment by trying different ones until you find the perfect match for your content. Lastly, to see the magic happen, click on the play button. This will allow you to preview the text animation within the context of your video. Watch it through and make sure it works seamlessly with your visuals and audio. Don't forget to make any necessary adjustments until you're happy with the end result. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to adding text animation in Descript. By following these steps, you can make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for joining today, and happy editing.